Good morning, this is Ron from Lake Gregory Weather, and kind of have a first significant atmospheric river known as an AR moving into Northern California this morning and southern part of Washington. And this is what it looks like on the water vapor imagery. This is a deep area of low pressure that's developing here, known as bomb genesis, or as the media likes to call it, a bomb cyclone, where the surface pressure will drop at least 1 millibar per hour for a period of 24 hours or greater. And this morning this is supposed to be around 940 millibars, which is pretty darn low. And in any case, this is the system that's coming into the Pacific Northwest today. There is a little bit of lightning. These little flashes that you can hardly see right here indicates lightning. And we have warmer air down here for Southern California, and we have cooler air moving in up here in the Pacific Northwest. I'm going to switch it over to the infrared so you can get a little different view of this. Alrighty, so here's the infrared view this morning, satellite view. This back up in here is all the cold air that's going to be drifting down out of the north and getting wrapped up in this low, which will eventually bring low snow levels to Northern California and Oregon and southern Washington as it looks now. And the possibility of this drifting down into our area will be holding off until late in the weekend as it looks today. This atmospheric river will weaken substantially as it slowly drifts south. But up here in the northern part of the state, they're looking at anywhere from 5 to 10 inches of rain out of this, along with southern Oregon, and possibly some of that up into Washington up here as well. So this is going to be an interesting time for them up there in the Pacific Northwest, but down here in Southern California, we're going to remain high and dry, at least through the work week this week, as it looks today. So just kind of give you a little heads up of what an atmospheric river looks like on the satellite picture. It comes from far out here in the eastern Pacific, comes straight across the Pacific, and hits the west coast. We will have multiple atmospheric rivers this year, hopefully anyway, that will impact the west coast, and these actually are responsible for bringing a high percentage of the amount of moisture that we end up with here in Southern California and along the entire west coast. So there you go. That's what an atmospheric river looks like from the satellite pictures. Thanks for joining me here. This is Ron at Lake Gregory Weather, and have a good day.